I'm Axel.
I'm Victor, and we're Lab Lab Lab.
So we met for the first time when we were 9 months old at the common playground in Ludo, where we both grew up, and also had our first workshop. Today we often try to look for fun and absurd ways to hack traditional processes and materials.
I think there's an inherent value in everything made. It could be everything from having kind of like signs that somebody has put their hands onto something, but also kind of the story of like how a product or how a material came to exist. And I think that from our perspective is really interesting when looking into everything made. So it could be like an iPhone or the butter knives you made when you were kids. So I think there's a discussion to be had with everything made, and that's kind of what we're trying to do, tell a story through objects. In this upcoming project we're working with, we're trying to look at basically Sweden and all of its landscape. So we're looking from everything from materials to how people actually utilize materials or live by nature. We're both really inspired by foods, which I think is one of the most important cultural aspects.
Moving Mountains is about bread and mountains sharing a recipe by time, heat and pressure. So in this project, all of Sweden's opposites stand eye to eye. So mining and agriculture, dead and alive, remoteness and urbanity, the Lapland fells and the Skåne plains. So we will map the history and future of the unwanted and wanted products from the Nordic mining, forestry and agriculture industries and teach visitors how to bake bread from stone.
We're looking at industrial waste from agricultural industries as well as forestry and mining. So we're kind of combining these byproducts or residues from their production to create new materials.
So from the mining operations in the north, we have minerals or industry dust even. And from Skåne, we have gluten and colophony from the south, from the agricultural and forestry industries. So the shaping the materials undergo occurs with methods of rolling, casting, baking, extruding. We use very simple kitchen tools and our hands to shape most of our material waste. So basically stuff that everyone has access to and things that people can make at home.
So in Moving Mountains, we're playing with the idea of moving the mountain instead of the city, Kiruna. Right now, the city is kind of actually collapsing due to the mining industry. So the city is situated on top of the mine. So as we speak, they're actually moving the entire city into a new center that's a few kilometers from where it is now. And to move the mountain, we have to move all of the parts that kind of makes the mountain. So without the mountain, there wouldn't be a city. So our idea here is to actually move the mountain and its people from Kiruna to different locations around the Nordics. And with that in mind, we move all kinds of aspects of culture. So food, dance, music, stories, as well as the actual mountain. So we try to move freely in between otherwise detached disciplines to see, what can happen when we put a design methodology or design thinking into these big, grand ideas or like this really in-depth research,
I think it's a blessing to not have any idea at all what you're doing. With the scientists, for example, we don't know what we're doing. And I think that kind of opens up the horizons. Once they're kind of, no, you can't do that, that's not possible. We're like, oh, really? Like, can we try it? I don't know if we have a mission with what we're doing. I think design doesn't always have to be so serious. It can be, for sure, but not always. I think we want our practice to be fun, explorative, reckless, intuitive. So maybe that's the mission.